I've been at Rinnai for, this is my 14th year now. I'm the Head of Technical and New Product Development for Rinnai UK. On a day-to-day basis, I will work with the technical support team, I'll work with the design team, but also work with Japan and suppliers for new products, new product developments. Before I joined Rinnai, I was in the Royal Navy. I was an electromechanical engineer, and I did that for 7.5 years. I think the biggest thing for me is the size of the department. So when I joined Rinnai, I was only the second member, and I did technical support only. Since that time, our department's now grown to 6 members, and we've actually created 2 divisions. We have a technical support division, which covers a subdivision of that is training, but we also have a design team in place now. So we've had quite a few things over the past few years. Most notably recently is the heat pump range. We've started off with a complete range from 4 kilowatts up to 50 kilowatts. Electric instance, we've got electric storage, the new burner technology that came out, a Premix Zero Governor. On the service side, as I mentioned before, we've got the design team now in place, and we also offer service packages, which is all something that we've not previously done before. So we've got a larger kilowatt range of heat pumps. So mentioned before about the 50 kilowatts, we're now looking at products to go higher than that, up to 600 kilowatts. We've got new gas products being developed as well. We need to look at hydrogen, we need to look at biofuels, bio-LPG, RDME, etc. So those kind of technologies will be looking to come out in the future. I think it's going in the right direction to a certain degree, but I think it's very heavily electrified, and I believe we need to have an agnostic approach. We need to look at multiple energy sources, because I don't believe all buildings in the UK, whether it be in cities or rural, can switch to electric. So I think we need to have an agnostic approach and keep our minds open to other technologies. The department has to evolve, whether it be we look at different energy sources. So at the moment we're looking at electric. So my department, we were predominantly gas. We now need to enhance our electric knowledge. The heat pump design side of things needs to evolve. How we design systems needs to evolve. So we need to evolve with what's coming out. We offer our customers a different approach. The value proposition from our point of view would be the H2H3, where we look at CapEx, OpEx, carbon cost analysis, various things like that to allow them to make an informed decision, because everyone wants to go green, everyone wants to go down the electric heat pump route, but it may not be suitable for all. There could be spatial issues, there could be cost issues. And we use these tools to help them make an informed decision. The key thing is optimizing. Gone are the days where you could just pick up a cylinder off the shelf for a gas system. Things need to be optimized, whether it be a plate heat exchanger, whether it be the heat pump itself, whether it be a coil in the cylinder. So for us, optimizing the system is key. The benefit for the customers, our customers, especially with installation and maintenance, is we can offer them multiple things. So we don't just offer a heat pump, or we don't just offer them a gas water heater. We offer them a package solution. It cuts the time that they spend having to source these components. And if we look at heat pump systems, I've mentioned previously that things need to be optimized. So we do that legwork to allow them to basically do what they do best, and that's install the equipment. I can use 2 examples here. I'll use one gas, one electric. On the gas side, recently I was sent an email out of the blue from a council in Wales. The year previous, they had just installed a gas system to replace an old existing gas system. And basically, the email wanted to share to me the system performance and the energy savings since they'd put in through the Rinnai system, which was quite significant. From memory, it was around about 25%. On the electric side of things, we did a heat pump system for a university. We went against a competitor, but because we managed to optimize the system, the package that we supplied was far more cost effective. But not only that, because we supplied a package, it all was delivered to the site in one go, in one hit. So basically, when the equipment arrived, they could take it all off, all in one go. They could sign it all off and put it in place ready for the install. Quite an important role because the heat pump itself will have an efficiency, but that won't be the only thing on the system that's consuming energy. So the SPF looks at the complete energy consumption of the system rather than just the performance of a heat pump at a specific test standard. So we look at a bigger picture, so to say. First thing, if it's an existing system, then the key one is insulation. But ultimately, you want to make sure it's designed properly, and any equipment that's utilised, such as plate heat exchangers, coils, pumps, they're all optimised for that system.